In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit a drop-down list in Smartsheet step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Drop-down lists are one of the most powerful features in Smartsheet because they help keep your data consistent, reduce errors, and make collaboration much smoother. Whether you want to add new options, remove old ones, or completely update an existing drop-down, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and open the sheet where your drop-down list is located. Once your sheet is open, look for the column that contains the drop-down you want to edit. Drop-down columns usually show a small arrow when you click into a cell, letting you choose from predefined options. Click anywhere within that column so it's clearly selected. Next, move your mouse to the column header at the top of the sheet. This is the gray bar that shows the column name. Right-click directly on that column header. When you right-click, a menu will appear with several different options related to that column. From the menu, click on Column Properties. This will open a new window where you can control all the settings for that column. In the Column Properties panel, you'll see the column name, the column type, and most importantly, the drop-down list values. Now this is where you actually edit the drop-down list. In the list of values, you can add new options by typing them in, remove existing options you no longer need, or reorder the list to better match your workflow. If you want to allow multiple selections, you can also enable that option here, depending on how your sheet is set up. Take a moment to carefully review the drop-down values to make sure everything looks correct, especially if the column is already being used by other people on your team. Once you're done making your changes, click Apply to save them. As soon as you apply the changes, the updated drop-down list will be available in every cell in that column. Any new entries will use the updated options, and existing rows will continue working with the new configuration. That's all there is to it. You've successfully edited a drop-down list in Smartsheet. This small change can make a big difference in keeping your sheets organized, accurate, and easy to use for everyone involved. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you